memang sungguh murni, si bunga kasturi, kuntum yang berseri tiap hari.
Alright, hi guys, we're back with Terry and we are in Johor Bahru for the Visit Johor 2026 launching event in Dataran JB. Are you excited, Terry?
I'm super excited.
Alright, one important thing that's happening today, among many other things, is there will be a Malaysian book of records. So they're trying to set a record for the most Zapin dancers. Zapin is a traditional dance. Okay, so there will be 4,000 dancers dancing at the same time.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Okay, Terry.
Yo.
So traditionally, Zapin is a Malay dance, right?
Okay.
It came from Arab, but it assimilated and became a Malay dance. But the brilliant thing here is that you see the different races: Malay, Indian, Chinese.
Yes.
All of them have learned this traditional and cultural dance.
Wow.
So what do you think about that?
Man, that's unity, man.
Yeah.
That's
At its
unity.
best. At its best through culture. You know. Saudara boleh kongsikan nama saudara dan dari mana?
Okey, Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Nama saya Muhammad Anik Majalan. Saya dan juga kumpulan saya daripada Sekolah Kebangsaan Sempang Renggam.
Saudara datang hari ini di Dataran JB untuk acara Visit Johor, kan?
Ya, betul.
So, saudara mewakili jenis persembahan apa?
Hari ini kami datang untuk program Mehlah Zapin di bawah pelancaran Visit Johor 2026, anjuran daripada Tourism Johor.
Alright.
Dan juga Yayasan Warisan Johor.
Okey.
Kami datang sini, kami dikelompokkan untuk sekolah rendah Johor untuk menari Zapin Dayu.
Adik boleh share dengan kita nama adik dan apa yang berlaku hari ini?
Nama saya Kairin. Saya daripada Keluang. Malam ni ada event untuk Tourism Johor. Saya empat penari. Penari ni dia akan ada 4,000 orang menari ramai-ramai untuk Malaysia Book Record. Saya melambangkan Zapin silat panjang.
Can you say your name and where you're from?
My name is Umar and I'm from Keluang, Johor.
What is going on here?
After this, we have a show around 8 p.m. and then 4,000 people doing a dance that we call Zapin dance.
Did you say 4,000 people?
Yes.
What?
Because we want to break the Malaysian Book of Record.
What is this dance about?
Zapin dance from Arab, but it come to Malaysia and then we doing a little new version.
That's awesome, man. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much,
Okay,
brother.
thank you.
Saya cukup bangga melihat ribuan anak bangsa Johor berkumpul ramai-ramai untuk buat persembahan Zapin. Bukan sikit-sikit, melibatkan 4,000 orang sekaligus. Atas persembahan 4,000 orang itu, kita akan mendapat awards daripada Malaysia Book of Records untuk pencapaian tersebut. Tahniah dan syabas kita ucapkan kepada semua.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami daripada SMK Senai. Kita orang dekat sini mewakilkan Zapin Johor.